Hey guys, today I'm gonna change my oil in the 2016 Honda Accord Sport. Okay. Alright, I just get this one, the Reno Ram. Here you go, no problem. There you go, guys. First, we're gonna have to take this one. Okay, there's a bolt here. Here. We have to take it out, okay? So you're able to see to go under there. We took it off, and there's a bolt there, and let's say here, let's say engine oil. So we take this up for this is like 17mm tools. Okay, let me get it. It's hard to see it. This is the oil, and this is the oil filter here. We're gonna take it up from with this one, okay? There you go, guys. Just let's see. Just put a new oil filter here, okay, and then we put the bolt back, and then we good to go. Okay, let's put this one here and put this bolt back here. Okay, just like that. You don't have to do it too tight because you're gonna have problem when you open it next time. Okay, that's it. This is done, and we put the cover back. Okay. And next, we put this part back. Gonna bring the camera there. Here we go, guys. Next, we take this oil part out, and we put the new oil. Okay. I'm using Mobil 1 synthetic 0W20. Okay. 4.5 quart. Okay. Thank you. Let's use ready. If your oil is enough or no, we just check it here. Okay. Let's see. Clean it. I'll take the ram off from here so the car can level, and then I'll recheck it again because earlier when I recheck it, they don't read it right because it's not level. Okay, now we recheck it again. Yep. Now you can see. There you go, guys. See, they're gonna go like between this one, okay? And the oil is already there. Okay, thank you. So, this is good. This is good. Hey guys, I'm also gonna change the air filter. There's 3 snap right here. There's a location on this side, and 1, 2, and 1 here. Okay, and snap there, and then we can just take it up there. Okay, let me put the camera here. Let's do 1, 2, 3, and we're just gonna up. Here you go, guys. Just open like that. We're just gonna change this one, okay? Alright. Okay. About this one, let me put it down. It's TP. This one, the air filter standard 1147. See? Put it here. See, this is the old one. This is the new one. See, the old one is so dirty, and this is the new one, clean and fresh. Okay, let's put it back on. To change this one, we change the oil. Okay, put this one back on this. So put the snap on the first one. There you go. From first, and we just snap this one. Just this one. There you go. This is that. Also, I'm gonna change the cabin air filter, its location, and this, okay, and the glove compartment. Okay, let me empty that one. And this one, just press it down. This up. And this one, two on this. Let's put the camera here. You have to pinch it this side. Okay, let's pinch it. Okay, and pinch it up. Okay, this is location here. We have to press this one up, and this is the other one too. Okay, go like that. This one here, and then this one, the air filter, the cabin filter. I mean. Take it out. It's so dirty. Okay. Gonna change to the new one, okay? I'm using the STP cabin air filter CAF1781. Okay. Take it out. So guys. So old one is a new one. See, old one and new one. Remember, change your cabin air filter so you can breathing better inside the car. Okay, so put it. This is the arrow. It's going down. Okay, this arrow going down. Okay, we put it there. Yeah, and just like that. We're gonna do the same process how we take it out and we put it back in the same process. Okay, it snap, make sure it snap. Yep. One, we pinch it. Pinch. Okay, and this one we put. There you go. There you go, guys. That's it. Work. Okay, to clear it, so you just press and hold this button right here. Okay, reset, it's at 20%, press and hold it. Okay, blinking and press and hold again. Say 100%, okay, thank you. Okay, that's it for today's video. See you later.